to the start.
Just like that, see?
Like this.
In the heart of the forest, where secrets sleep, a cabin stood, bathed in fire's keep.
It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness.
In the heart of the forest, where shadows dance with firelight, lived a kind old man. He wasn't alone.
How is he?
He's stable for now.
The storm is getting closer. We should finish soon.
Just a few more. Be careful up there.
This mint is quite fragrant today.
Indeed. The moisture in the air enhances its aroma.
Ah, the water is so clear today.
Indeed, perfect for washing our harvest.